So let's shake it, 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 shake it. Who's ready to make a delish mocktail? I am. So let's go. Grab your stuff. Strawberries and cream. Let's go. Come with me. I'm here with all my ingredients, but I forgot my ice, so give me a sec. I'll be back. Ta-da! I'm back with my ice. First thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a couple of ice out. Let's see. Woo! There you go. I'm gonna add a couple with my hand into my cube just to make it chilled. Take a shaker, open it up, and you need a couple strawberries. I'm gonna use, that's one, that's two, that's third one, fourth one. Perfect. What we're gonna do, we're gonna start and muddle. Here's my muddler. It looks perfect. Muddle, 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 muddle. Done with my muddling. Next step, I need to use 30 ml of cream. Crossing my fingers so it won't curdle. Let's see. But if it does, you better use coconut cream. That's 15. That's 30. Ta-da! Here's my first layer, muddled strawberry. Second layer, my fresh cream. And I'm gonna top up with some coconut water. Why is that? Basically, this mocktail I was inspired by. Let's roll back. Why am I making this mocktail? Is that I was watching the tennis tournaments at Wimbledon. I wasn't there. I didn't queue up. I was watching it on TV. And when I was just scrolling in my social media, everybody was talking about the strawberry and cream that they were serving there. So I actually made a cocktail version inspired by that, basically those fresh cream and strawberries. But now for the mocktail, obviously I can't just mix these two and show it to you. I'm gonna top it up with some coconut water. But again, my coconut water is like strawberry flavored and it's pink. So I'm gonna first add 60 ml of that. And you can see here the color. That's 45. 15. And we need some ice. Put the lid on, make sure it's all closed, and start shaking. So let's shake it, 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 shake it. Whoop. Forehand and a backhand with my shaker. Oh, I'm so exhausted after those shakings. I'm done. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to double strain it. I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna keep that lid on. Get rid of the ice. Let's see what we've got here. Ooh. Too many strawberries, maybe. Oh, it's gonna take some time. Exhausted, and my hands are freezing. It's actually harder than it looks. Maybe I should have smashed my strawberries a bit more. Just need to be patient sometimes. Ta-da! Here's my cocktail. Let's give a taste and see how it tastes. I hope it's not gonna taste like a cough syrup. It's nice. I would add a bit of honey to it before shaking. My strawberries weren't that sweet, I think. But on the other hand, it doesn't taste like a cough syrup. So good. Love it. You can garnish it with a strawberry if you want, or you can take some strawberries, dip there, and give it a taste. Even better. Let me see if I like which version. The Wimbledon version? Definitely not. My version is much better. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we're the Tipsy Duo. We're gonna come back with more videos, hopefully. Check out the cocktail version as well. You might like that one more. Cheers! Why am I holding it like that?